Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So, this video is dedicated to SketchUp and we will learn how to make multiple copies in SketchUp. So in my last video, I have already demonstrated how to make multiple copies over here. Now, let's learn another trick of making the multiple copies. So I have two flower pots over here and we will learn how we can make the multiple copies. So the first trick was to select the object, then make a copy of it by using the move tool and hitting the control button and placing it at a particular distance and then click over there. Then whatever number you want to get the copies, you will just enter that number. Like I want to get 9 copies of it, so I will enter 9 and star and hit enter. So over here, one of my copy is extra one, so I will simply select this one and delete it. Now, what about if you want to get multiple copies in between the objects? So, suppose I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 spaces over here. And I want to get multiple copies in between two objects. So, I will simply select the move tool, make a copy of it and place it over here in the middle of these two flower parts. Now I want 7 copies of it so that it can be placed in between. So I will enter 7 slash and hit enter and you will see that I have got 7 copies in the middle. So this is how you can make multiple copies. So these were the two tricks of making the multiple copies. So that was all for today guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.